Good morning. Welcome to a new video by Travel Malta, the original 17 years on YouTube. Let's go and try Busy Bee's full English breakfast, which they call Busy Bee full breakfast. Let's go and try it. So, Busy Bee is very famous and they've been around for a long time. And they've got three. Don't make all these noises. Scott shouldn't make all these noises. Okay, so Busy Bee is quite famous and popular in Malta, and they've been around for a long time. Also, they have three different cafes in Malta. There's the original, which I'm going to visit, in Msida. There's also one in Slima and one in Gostra now. I think three. Well, let's go there. That's how we're reduced now, it seems. People going through garbage. It's a nice situation, you know. It's not a nice thing that people are reduced to having to do that, you know. It's not nice. Looking for bottles and garbage. Anyway, that's Malta 2024 for you. Water and the cappuccino, very nice cappuccino. The rest is coming soon, hopefully. I ordered the Busy Bee full breakfast. Okay, so we have some very nice toast here, butter, and here we have the breakfast, looking very nice. Let me move things around so that you can see it. It looks great. There are a lot of people today. It's 9 a.m. They've come a bit earlier. Okay, so we have some hash browns also, baked beans, they're very healthy. Mushrooms also, a couple of eggs, and some, is that ham or bacon? Bacon, I think. And sausages, a couple of sausages. Okay, so I will dig in. Let's start. Let's start with the hash browns, perhaps. Let's see. Hash brown as well. Very good. Mushrooms I really like. Yeah. Mm. Tomato. Mm. This video is also useful. If you're on holiday in Malta, you want to basically find places to have a full English breakfast. Perhaps you're from the UK or from Australia or elsewhere. Or even if you're Maltese, you want to find a place for full English breakfast, why not? You've seen me try some places in Msida in the past, so I thought I would change the locality now. Yeah. I like mushrooms. Mm. Some water. The waitress was Maltese. But nice you can speak Maltese if you want. Or you can speak English. So another hash brown. Was cornered myself. Not wanting to bother anyone. Usually they have tables outside, but today there are no tables outside, probably because of the heat. Nobody's going to stay outside in the heat. Too hot. They're very good. The hash browns, the mushroom, red bean. Let's try the bacon. The bacon is not overdone, I think. It's soft. Personally, I like to have it a bit more crunchy, a bit more, slightly more cooked. It's good, I like it. I still like it. Using the new camera for this video. Let's try a sausage. I've done some YouTube shorts from here, but never a full video. So I thought I would do this video about their full English. What I notice about these restaurants when they do full English, they don't give you cheese. There's no option for cheese, which is a bit, I don't know, some. For me it feels strange because I like cheese. Good. Let's put some big beans on toast. And more big beans on toast. Coming up. Coming up. Let's wet the whistle. I got that from Rick, my takeaway, sorry. It's good. So I'm using my new camera for this vlog, full English review. More bacon. There was an article explaining how big beans are a healthy food. I like this. Instead of having a plastic bottle, they give you this. This is a paper carton. Water in a recyclable paper carton. I remember at some point there was mention of some edible water bottles, something, but nothing came out of it, it seems. Have some egg now. Yeah, it's good. People need to cover when they sneeze because sometimes they just don't, you know. That's not good, good education, you know. No good education. Use the tissue. This egg is perfect. Of scarpetta. Questo cappuccino. For the Busy full breakfast, the water at 1.85 and cappuccino at €2.60. It's the middle of the sweets, ice cream, little treats that they have. Banana. Excellent. I'll see you outside. So I'm outside. What did I think? It was an excellent breakfast. Very good. Very good for English. Right. The bacon, I prefer to be a bit more crispy. But it's not bad. It's good. It's cooked enough. So it's not a problem for me. So it was good. So out of 10, how much I would rate it? Because of the bacon. Everything was perfect. I liked everything. I think an 8 out of 10 because of that. Now here they do breakfast also. Let's see, I wonder how it is, but I don't think it's a healthy breakfast, I think they call it. Well, to be fair, even baked beans are healthy. That's what recently I read. They've been found to be healthy, so that's good. You can eat your baked beans without worrying. Well, don't worry. Whatever you eat, in moderation, I think it's always good. Okay, so if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you keep watching my videos, but you do not subscribe. You just occasionally happen to see my videos in your feed, YouTube feed, so please do subscribe. Press like also to show the algorithm, to show YouTube that it's a good video. And again, share it with your friends, please. So now it's time for you to, if you want, keep on watching one of the other suggested videos on the left and on the right. And in the meantime, I'm going to say bye from Msida, Malta.